Welcome to New City Education. We're excited to introduce our comprehensive online STEM courses, designed specifically for young learners from elementary through high school. At New City Education, we offer flexible scheduling that fits your family's busy life. Sessions can be easily adjusted as your child progresses, so learning always works around your schedule. Each learning level totals 7.5 hours of focused instruction. Many parents love our popular format of 5 sessions of 1.5 hours, though we also offer 3 sessions of 2.5 hours for those who prefer longer, deeper dives. Your child learns in their own private breakout room, free from distractions, so they can fully concentrate and participate. Our small groups feature one dedicated tutor guiding no more than 6 students at a time, often just 2 to 4. In our experience, only during the busiest summer months do groups occasionally reach 5 or 6. The tutor moves thoughtfully between breakout rooms, providing personalized attention, answering questions, and supporting each student's individual progress. We don't rely on long lectures for young minds. Instead, we emphasize hands-on practice, engaging exercises, and exciting projects that make STEM concepts come alive. Ready to get started? If you'd like to explore without committing to a full level, simply reach out to our friendly customer service team to arrange a trial class. Once you're confident it's the right fit, you can enroll in a single 7.5-hour level or multiple levels for even greater progress. Our team is happy to share any current discounts for enrolling in more than one level or course at the same time. Many parents wonder, is online learning truly as effective as in-person classes? From our years of experience and the latest educational technologies we've adopted, we've seen students achieve, and often exceed, their learning goals with no compromise in quality. Plus, online learning eliminates travel time, adapts easily to any weather or schedule, and lets your child study in the comfort and safety of home. We're here to support your child's STEM journey every step of the way. Please contact us today so we can learn more about your child's interests and needs and recommend the perfect learning path tailored just for them. We look forward to helping your child discover the joy and confidence that comes with mastering STEM. Thank you, and let's get started.